The elevated discharge section of the bridge stage loader is mounted on a trolley, able to travel along a reinforced receiving end section of the extensible belt conveyor, allowing a retreat of up to 15 meters before the extensible belt conveyor has to be shortened. The loop storage unit of the extensible belt conveyor is located at the out-by end of the main gate and can store up to 91 meters of belt as the conveyor system retreats. Shortening the conveyor is simple. 3-meter lengths of the boltless structure are removed from the tail end. The hydraulic winch of the storage unit then draws the excess belt into the storage loop. This in turn pulls the tail end section towards the conveyor structure. The sections are locked together again and finally the belt is retensioned. In an advancing longwall system, the procedure is reversed, allowing up to 91 meters of belt to be fed into the advancing conveyor system before adding belt to the loop storage unit. In keeping abreast of changing demands on the coalface, Anderson Strathclyde have designed the roll rack chainless haulage system. A progressive alternative to the usual chain haulage of the shearer along the face, totally eliminating the need for even a short driving chain, roll rack is a simple, dependable and safe traction unit, highly effective over a wide range of face conditions. Increased production, too, comes from the new range of Anderson Strathclyde single and double-ended shearers, of even greater power and ruggedness than the familiar AB16 range. The AM500 double-ended ranging drum shearer, powered by either one or two 300 or 370 kilowatt motors, has a haulage pull of up to 35 tons and can operate double-ended in seams as low as 1 meter 50. To control airborne dust when operating these new machines, the operator has the power to select alternative drum speeds, down to 25 revolutions per minute. This Anderson Strathclyde 200 kilowatt mechanical lump breaker can be attached to the shearer to cope with large lumps bursting from the coalface. It works completely independently of the cutting boom, breaking the lumps down before passing under the machine underframe, and can be adapted for use on either end of the machine. Anderson Strathclyde bidirectional shearers may be fitted with a nucleonic automatic steering system to maintain the machine on a predetermined horizon. The nucleonic sensor and the automatic steering system it controls ensure a constant thickness of coal roof throughout the length of the face and on every pass of the machine. Anderson Strathclyde design engineers are working in close cooperation with the Mines Research and Development Establishment of the National Coal Board on the development and application of this system to other types of machines. A further technological development, with the introduction of transducers into the working parts of Anderson Strathclyde shearers, is the ability to monitor such things as bearing temperature, and so reduce time machines may spend out of service for maintenance. From the thickest seam to the thinnest. Anderson Strathclyde now produce the buttock shearer to cut coal fast and efficiently in seams as thin as 750 millimeters. The buttock shearer rides on the floor along the face side of the conveyor. Automatic control of machine attitude makes steering simple. The buttock shearer can also be supplied with roll rack chainless haulage. Anderson Strathclyde produce equipment to suit every type of coal mining condition. equipment operating in all the major coal-producing countries of the world. They couple with their range of existing equipment and the capability to develop for any new condition a highly experienced team of qualified mining engineers who will undertake to coordinate the design, supply and installation of a complete longwall package. By constant attention to design and development, Anderson and Strathclyde have helped to keep the British mining industry in the forefront of longwall mining as it advances all over the world.